watch it.
I'm
making a movie.
I get it now.
My precious.
What'd you do to your toe?
I was holding it on the beach and it fell and go boom and it hurt.
So when people turn video camera on, do you regress and talk like you're 3?
And I go boom.
He fall down and go boom.
You look like your mother.
What?
Whose turn is it?
Farm folk.
Somebody explain what game we're playing.
You do
Life
it.
on the
I don't
farm.
know. Yeah, life on the farm.
And so far, what have we learned about life on the farm from this game?
It's
Nothing.
fun. It's cool. Working does not pay off.
Working does not pay off because if you work a lot, these wild dogs will come and attack your cattle.
And kill them.
I thought that was a cheetah.
No.
I've never seen a cheetah that looks like that, but you know, it's important that you use your imagination. And then this right here, that's a sweet scene. And then there's a beaver.
And here's a barn.
Whose turn is it?
I don't know, but there's the hunter. He cut my fence. Kill you.
Uh-oh, there goes my piece.
That was my.
Oops.
A little bit of outrage, violence.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, someone go.
How was it? That cat.
Anybody.
Okay.
What?
4, 5, 6.
You don't have to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey.
I get to shake again.
Okay.
3. Farm expense. No, I hate this. The barrels, I gotta pay money.
Why? Just because I'm recording? Look what time it is. You've spent your last 5 minutes with me making fart noises. Are you proud?
Yeah.
Well, as long as you... Yeah. Here, have a tissue, you freak. You realize that when you guys get older and you start trying to date, I'm going to have this video.
What am I farting?
Not if it tears up.
What am I farting?
Jingle bells. You've now been making fart noises for 3 minutes.
Yeah, really? Well, I'm making this too. Oh, gross.
Oh, my bad.